A Claiborne County court this morning heard a motion to dismiss a lawsuit against some of the largest opioid manufacturers in the country. 7 district attorneys general in Tennessee filed the lawsuit. It claims opioid manufacturers knowingly advertised and pushed addictive medication to the public. Lawyers representing the drug manufacturers argue they sell a legal product and have no control over where the drugs go after they're passed along to the distributors. The attorneys general say the drug manufacturers are responsible for the opioid epidemic.
It is our goal to hold the opioid manufacturers responsible for the damage that they've caused in our communities. We strongly believe that their marketing techniques have led to the opioid epidemic that has affected literally thousands of our citizens.
The judge will issue an order tomorrow on whether the case will continue. And coming up on 10 News at 5, hear the arguments each side made in an effort to plead their case. East Tennessee agencies have